Hi there, we're working on 7.2 inequalities when we have a variable on both sides of the equal sign. Inequality sign. Or maybe it's like this. On both sides of the inequality. So do not forget our lovely little steps. Step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Don't forget the negatives. There's a special rule with inequalities. If you multiply or divide by a negative, you have to flip the inequality signs. So let's get started with problem number 1. Taking a minute and looking here, I have 3 terms. On the left, 1 on the right. I do not have any parentheses, so I do not need to distribute. So we get to step down here to combine like terms. Please, please, please combine your like terms before you start moving your variables or your constants. So looking here, I can combine these two y terms. So 2y minus 4y, negative 2y, plus 18 is less than 6. So we have step 2 done. Now let's look at step 3, move variables. Well, my variable is already on the left side. I like that. So let's move our constants over to the right side. Let's get this 18 together with the 6. And now simplifying, I have a negative 2y is less than a negative 12. And now let's divide or multiply. In this case, let's divide. We're dividing by a negative 2. So that means we're going to have to change our inequalities. So y is greater than a positive 6. And there you have it. Actually, you're listening to Journey right now, in case you didn't know that. But y is greater than 6. So now let's do problem number 2. Problem number 2. First off, we're going to have to distribute because we have parentheses here. So doing that, 6z plus 21 is less than 9 plus 8z. Combining like terms, nothing on the left to be combined or on the right side. So let's move on down to step 3, combining our variables, moving our variables. I am going to subtract 8z from both sides because I like my variables on the left. That will give me a negative. So negative 2z plus 21 is less than 9. Now, step 4, let's move some constants. Now I have negative 2z is less than a negative, let's see, 12. All right, here I am dividing by a negative again. So I want that z by itself. We've got to get rid of the negative 2. With that said, z, change the sign, is greater than 6. And there we have it. There is example 1 and 2. Stay tuned for 3 and 4 and name that tune.